Rise and shine, people. Rise and shine. Good morning. It is Saturday. Saturday morning. I woke up not too long ago. I am still a little sleepy, but I decided to get up and start my day. So basically we didn't end up going out last night because we were both tired. And since we're both tired, we're just like, listen, it don't make sense, you know, because there's a possibility that we go out tonight, and then I think we should have plans on Sunday because it's actually my friend's birthday. It's Amika's birthday on Sunday. So yeah, we're trying to pace ourselves. So I started editing my vlog for this Sunday. So I'm gonna try and finish that this morning, and then we're gonna go on the road and do a bit of shopping. And I don't know what else we'll get up to, but we will see. Having a meeting at the stadium right now, and we can just watch the races from the balcony. That's crazy. Can I get a swirl? Can I get a to another vlog. It is currently Tuesday, and I did like a little YouTube live a little earlier. Also didn't, as I would have mentioned in the YouTube live, I didn't end up posting my Sunday vlog. Sorry y'all. So yeah, I didn't end up posting my Sunday vlog, but you know, I'm hoping to get it out tomorrow so that I can have it up. If you haven't watched the YouTube live, basically I misplaced my laptop charger, and my laptop charger died while I was trying to upload my vlog. So I'm supposed to get the charger by the end of today. So it's Tuesday, so by tomorrow I should have a vlog ready to go up for Wednesday. So which would have been like Sunday's vlog. So yeah. Hey y'all. I'm on my way to our hotel right now to meet up with Sasha. She's a YouTuber. I think I added her in my vlog before when we linked up. It was like months ago, probably even over a year, I feel like, at Cafe Dolce. She and Bacana. I think that was the first time I met Bacana. So I'm on my way there to meet up with her. She's back in Jamaica for a little bit. So I'm excited. I'm late, but I'm almost reach-ish. I feel like this is not the road for him to be doing that. and we stuck the island. But yeah, so on my way. My hair, boy, I don't know about my hair. It, as I told you guys before, I put this thing in my hair, and it kind of, I don't like how it look. It look, it look whitey whitey. I don't like it, but it is what it is because I wasn't about to wash my hair. My favorite bartender. Hey.
Remember, you can follow me at Captain Links up to that all social media platform, right?
Okay, plug. Look who it is. Hi guys. Hi Ashley's channel.
I know they haven't seen you in a long time.
You guys haven't seen me since my last year, but
Yeah, I know.
I'm happy to be back
On the island,
Exactly.
you know, doing the
It's a long
do.
time coming.
Just give me the light.
Good morning, guys. I feel like I need to give you guys a recap of what went down yesterday because I don't know, like when I go out I get so caught up in the moment. I was talking to Sasha about this yesterday and I don't really vlog well. I don't vlog well, and that is why a lot of the times when I go out it ends up being so many snippets because I'm just so caught up in the moments I forget to vlog, you know. And I don't necessarily have a problem with that because I do try to live more in the moments now. But for my vlog, I was just like, I didn't vlog like I wanted to, you know what I mean? But anyways, yesterday, Sasha and I met up at our hotel. And then after that, we went to a St. Patrick's Day celebration thing at Barbican Beach. But I didn't vlog that. And then after Barbican Beach, we went to Holysmokes, which is, I feel like I've been at Holysmokes every single week for the past like 3 weeks, and I'm not ashamed of it. I'm not ashamed. I love karaoke, so I really love Holysmokes for karaoke. The service isn't the best and the food isn't the best, like it's okay, but I'm just there for the vibes and the drinks, you know what I mean? I'm just there for the vibes and the drinks, honestly. The vibe is always immaculate. It's always really good. So yeah, so that's what happened yesterday. It's now Friday, and I think we're supposed to meet up again tonight. So I'm actually trying to get myself together. I'm thinking to go to Anika's and then finish working there and then just get ready from her place and then link up with Sasha and her boyfriend later because she leaves on Monday. So we're trying to show her all the good times while she's here before she leaves. So yeah. My hair is in my bonnet. I need to wash it out because the thing that I use in my hair, it's so flaky. I really don't like it. I don't know how I'm gonna style my hair. I'm probably gonna do like a wash and go, probably, to be honest. Yeah, I'm gonna call Anika right now to see what the plans are, and then yeah. Update, y'all. I did not go out. It never happened. But it's Sunday. The day that you guys are gonna get this vlog. I am washing up some dishes in the kitchen, and I was about to make some mint tea with like actual mint for my non-Jamaicans. The thing is, I think other countries use mint in tea, but like I don't know. But I've heard like British people say they're having mint tea. But of course they use a different strain of mint. I have like some dried mint. You guys remember when I went to country that time in my vlog? That time I went to country. This is the mint that I got from country. And I dried it and took it off of the stems. So I'm gonna have some of that. Instead of boiling it, I'm just gonna steep it. My hair looks so crazy. You know what I look like with my hair, with my bonnet looking like this? I mean, you know them Egyptian, them call it like Cleopatra. Crazy. I need to wash my hair. I was saying to mommy that I need to wash. Oh, look at all those flakes. Ew. I'm near my cup. The cup that you're finished drinking from. Cup I put it down, please. All that. But yeah, my hair, like it flakes so much, which I really don't like. This is why I don't like the product when I want to get back. Watch it. I wish you guys could see this, so they can see when I complain. Like, do y'all see that?
Probably the gel.
It's the gel. That's like, and that is what I keep saying. Like, I don't like this gel because it makes my hair flake so much. And on the thing, that's what. I'm good. What is wrong with you? Yeah, well, let me come out of the kitchen. Anyways, I don't like the gel. I showed you guys what gel it was. I think I showed you guys. But mommy, it's the Alakay Naturals gel. You ever used it before?
Where is this thing not love?
Have you? I'm opening all of my used coffee pods and I'm putting them in this cup with my mom's tea bag. Keep them and put them on the plants outside. But I've been racking them up here in the corner. I have so many of them that I've used, so I'm just going to empty them out so that this can be used for compost, like for the plants. And then I'm going to put the plastic part in or recycle, because we actually do recycle here in our community. If your community doesn't recycle, you need to tell them to start. They need to start recycling. I'm just saying. For my non-Jamaicans, Jamaica is not a place that typically recycles. So if you live in somewhere that practices it, it's always a commendable thing, because it's not. Mommy, should I just open your tea bag too?
Yes.
So you didn't put all of this on your paper grass? You can share this with some of the plants. I wonder if I should put it on my plants on the inside. It looks like the soil in it though, it's like it mildewing. I feel like because it's inside and it's not getting sun, I don't know. Is that weird? Is that not weird? Is that not weird? Mommy, but you're not answering my answer. Because I use the soil from the back. That cotton soil right there. But the top, it looks like it's mildewing.
Mildewing?
Yeah, in the plant pot.
Maybe too much water.
Too much water? Or isn't it probably because the room is too like cool? Do you think? Because a lot of the times I leave my curtain closed for like 2 days at a time. I do try to open it though so the plant can get some sun. But But that is why I got a plant that was low light. But the soil, the plant seems fine, but the soil, not so much. It smells like dirt. It doesn't even smell like coffee. Smell it. It smells like dirt, don't it?
Yeah, don't like them.
Have I been drinking dirt?
It smells like fire.
That face was so ugly. Let's not even talk about it. Yeah, it does smell like soil. Ew, why is this green? Are there things growing in here? Probably mold. Oh my god, it's moldy. Gross.
I'm gonna put the mold of something down.
Mommy,
Okay.
are you gonna mix it up and maybe you need to put it in the sun and make it dry? You know, we should probably research how to use coffee compost instead of just throwing it up. That's probably a good idea. Yeah, I'm just not even wash my hair. But it's kind of sad because I don't have no gel. Other than that, Alligator Naturals one. I don't have the gel that I want. So am I just not going to do a wash and go? Just do some leave-in, some moisturizer and twist up my hair or something? Ew, this is moldy. It's moldy. To be honest, I've had them sitting for weeks in the corner. I'm just saying. I've had them sitting for a long time. It has like this thing in there. Let's take out this part. I saw my sister-in-law do this. Compost coffee pots.
Oh, Mara?
Yeah.
Now what's it with them?
She just remember they separate their compost from their naturally separate the compost from the plastics, whatever. In Jamaica we don't do that. In Jamaica we don't really separate anything. We just have garbage, which is really sad. But in Canada they separate the compost, and this would be the compost from the plastic, which is the empty container. And then they put this in the plastics and then this in the compost. So they don't just throw out the coffee pods by themselves. She used to do it every time for garbage shop for them. Let me show you guys. Okay, I'm all done. This is all of the coffee pods. This is a lot. I put all of them in this bag, and this is gonna go in the recycle, and this is gonna go inside the plants. Anyways, y'all, mom wants to be in the vlog so bad. Really? Yeah, but anyways, I'm just ending this vlog so I can get to editing and upload. I'm gonna do that and then shower, wash my hair, because my hair look. Let's not talk about my hair. But yeah, thanks for hanging out for this vlog. I know it was kind of all over the place, but I know y'all love it anyways. You want to say bye, mom?
Bye.
No, I'm not taking it out.